Write a function triangle 1n, triangle 2n, and triangle 3n that takes in an integer n and prints the following patterns depending on what n is. So here, if n is 3, we have 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. And if n is 5, we have 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So do pause the video and take some time to give this question a go before taking a look at the answers. So let's try to solve triangle 1 first. So we define triangle 1 and we take in n. So we have a colon and here we write our function body. So first things first, we need to print the correct number of rows. So if n is 3, we have 3 rows, and if n is 5, we are going to have 5 rows. So the first step would be a for loop for I in range n. So if we print I, and let's test this with 5. And if we run this, we are just going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, we want to get 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, if we take a step back, this is actually range from 1 to 2. This is range from 1 to 3. This is range from 1 to 4. This is range from 1 to 5. And this is range from 1 to 6. So let's incorporate that here. For j in range, and here we notice that all of them start with a 1. So we put a 1 here, comma, and here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how do we get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Let's try to print I first. And if we run this, we are still going to get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So right now, let's make this print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we have I plus 1, we will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is whatever we are seeing here. So here, we can actually add I plus 1 over here. And here, let's print j. And here, since we want the stuff printed to be on the same line, let's add n is equals to empty string. And at the end of our function, we have to print a new line character. And if we run this, we will get 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, if you don't want to use I plus 1, you can actually add 1 here. So n plus 2, and we start with a 2. So if we run this, we will still get the same answer. So here, either way works because both give us the same result. And here, if we replace this with a 3, we will still get 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. So over here, triangle 1 is done. Next, let's take a look at triangle 2. So here, compared to triangle 1, just notice that whatever we have in our row is simply reversed. So we can actually edit triangle 1 over here. So let's put triangle 2. And if we run this currently, we will get triangle 1. However, we need to change this currently. So here, this is simply range 5, 0, and -1. So notice here that I put 0 because 0 itself is not included in the numbers generated by the range function. So this will be range 4, 0, and -1. This is going to be 3, 0, -1. This is going to be 2, 0, -1. And this is going to be 1, 0, -1. So here we can change our inner for loop. So the number that changes is the start. So we have something 0 and -1. So this something needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's comment this out and check if I is in fact 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we run this, we will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's -1 from both start and stop. And we will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can insert it into our start here. And if we run this, we will get the answer 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so if we replace this with a 3, we will still get the correct answer. And lastly, let's take a look at triangle 3. So here, triangle 3 is slightly different in that it starts with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, and then 5. So here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is actually a range 5, 0, and -1. So range. So here we start with 5 also, but right now our n will be 1 and -1 because it stops at 2. So here once again, our stop argument increases. So we have 5, 2, -1. And here we have 5, 3, -1. And lastly, we have 5, 4, and -1. So with this in mind, let's define triangle 3. Takes in a n, colon, and now let's write our function body. So for I in range. So here we can see that we need to generate the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we simply type n, colon, and for j in range n, comma, I, comma, -1. We print j with n being an empty string. And at the end of every outer for loop, we print a new line character. So now let's test our triangle 3. And if we run this, we will get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, and 5. So here, if we replace our 5 with a 3, we will still get the correct answer. And here we have it, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, and 3. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this was clear and easy to understand. See you in the next one.